I got a package yesterday. It's not very heavy, but it's kind of big. Welcome to Lancaster Hi-Fi. I'm Stephen Lancaster. Just want to do an unboxing and sort of a promotion of things to come on the channel. I got a box. Shipping department in Vernon, California. What's in this box is from Psvane. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. I expect a lot of this is just packing material. So we've got some very interesting cardboard, corrugated cardboard here. Let's get as much of this out of here right now as I can.
Please?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't bring your buds in, so if you said something, I didn't hear it.
I'm just shooting a little video. All right, let's see what we've got. Psvane Summit Series. And what's this? These are KT88s. In here? This one? It's a pair. Let's pull one out, check it out. Okay, Psvane Summit Series Vacuum Tube, Changsha Hengyang Electron Co. Limited. SKT88 Summit Series is the only marking on the actual glass. It's got a metal covered base. This part, I don't know if that's ceramic or plastic. I think it's plastic. There we go. So that's one. Or at least one thing. And what else comes in here is a card. Oh. So this is apparently some data, or at least partly a data sheet, showing the date tested and so on. And plate current 50 milliamps, filament current 1.6 amps. Neat. And some other specs. Very nice. Nice to have that. What else have we here? I think this box is probably the other pair of KT88s. Yeah. And then we've got 6 SN7s. Again, we've got a data sheet. Oh my. These are rather special looking. Okay, so Psvane Summit Series Vacuum Tube, Changsha Hengyang Electron Co. Limited, Psvane, and then just on here it just says S6SN7 Summit Series. So the 6SN7, if you're unaware, is a dual triode, and you can see in here that's the two plates. And of course there's two in here, and there's 2 boxes of those because I asked for 4 of them. The plan for those, the KT88s and the 6SN7s, is to use them with my Dynaco Mark IIIs, which are awaiting restoration. But I will do a review at least of the KT88s separately, and I'll talk about that in a second. Now, I don't have an amplifier to take these, but I know somebody who does, and I will talk about that in a second. So what have we here? Type S300B. IA equals 85 milliamps. Oh my, look at those. And we have a pair of 300Bs, S300B Summit Series. And again, the base is identical to the others. Of course, a 4-pin tube. Looks to be gold plated or silver, something plated. Not sure. Obviously mica here. Dual getter down here. Wow. And again, a small data sheet. Serial numbers, date tested, filament current, and plate current. Nice. So that's all that's in here, in this box, this package. And I'm going to put the stuff back in here for safekeeping for now. When Psvane first got in touch with me, they premised the interaction with, we've got a new high-end line coming out that we'd like you to try out. By the way, if you're interested in some of our Horizon tubes, we can send those to you now. So if you're familiar with my channel, you might have seen that I've done a few videos related to those Horizon tubes that I got previously. Summit Series is a whole other thing. This is presumably their new top of the line, actually, the Summit, if you will, of their tube line. So what are my plans? Well, long term, I'm going to use the 6SN7s and the KT88s in my pair of Dynaco Mark IIIs. You know, I've been putting off working on those for a while. This gives me some nice motivation to getting that work done. And in particular, now I'm kind of committing myself to making a modded or rebuilding a modded version of the Mark III that employs a pair of 6SN7s on each monoblock. Now, I'll have to make sure that those big old 6SN7s will fit on there. But I think that's not going to be a problem, but you know, I do want to check that out. Now, in the shorter term, I'm going to do a collaboration with Jeff Dorgay from Tone Audio. And I'm going to take the KT88s at least, and maybe the 6SN7s, well, if he has an amplifier that can use those as well as the KT88s. But the idea initially is at least to take this quad of KT88s. He apparently has two amplifiers that are identical that use KT88s. And so we can compare the two sets of tubes without having to remove them and adjust the bias and so on for the amplifier. So it'll be a much nicer means of comparison to have the two identical amplifiers with the differing sets of tubes. We haven't scheduled a time for that yet. I haven't been talking with him specifically about when we would do it because I didn't know exactly when I would get these tubes. Now that I have gotten the tubes, I'll talk with him about when we should do that. And almost certainly my friend Chris will be in on that as well, because he's Jeff's friend. Jeff's just kind of a friend of a friend. I've only met him once. Now, when will that happen? It might be in September. We'll have to see. I'm going to be gone the first couple of weeks of September, so certainly won't be the first couple of weeks of September, but maybe after that. My understanding is that he also has an amplifier that uses 300Bs, and so we can at least get a listen to the 300Bs. I don't currently have an amplifier that either exists or is even in the planning stages that uses 300Bs, but I definitely wanted to try these out. Also in the same Summit Series line is 845s. I didn't ask for those. Those are very special tubes. If it turns out that Jeff actually does have an 845 amp, maybe I'll get back in touch with Psvane about getting a pair of those. 845s run on like a 1000 volt plate supply, special tubes, but they are triodes. I think they're direct heated triodes in the same sort of family as, say, starting with 45s and 245s through 2A3s, 300Bs, and then 845s. That's at least sort of how I think of it. Right now, like I said, it's just a preview of things to come and an unboxing and looking at some pretty tubes. Hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the follow-ups where we actually get to listen to these tubes. And if you do, tune in, that is. I will talk to you later. Cheers.